This is Work Together 12-1 in your textbook page 344 and your workbook page 309. This is dealing with payroll and time cards. They have some terminology in the chapter. The first one is the money that's paid to the employees for this particular company is on a salary basis. The period that's covered for the salary is called your pay period. The total amount earned for all the employees is the payroll. And then once you take the total pay minus any deductions that the employees have, that's the total earnings. And that's what we're going to be figuring out right now. Calculate the total earnings. So, Work Together 12-1, instruction. It says, for each employee, calculate the amount of regular, overtime, and total earnings. Overtime hours are paid at 1.5 times regular rate. So they give us a chart here, and the regular rate is $9, and it looks like they have worked 40 hours. So you would calculate that 40 times 9 would be 360 is the regular earnings. They have 5 hours of overtime, and remember overtime is 1.5 times regular rate. So 1.5 times 9 is actually $13.50 for overtime. Then you times that times 5 hours. That person earned $67.50. Employee number 2, 40 hours at $12.50. So you multiply those two out. This person has earned $500. Once again, they have 3 hours of overtime. Overtime is time and a half, so you take $12.50 times 1.5, and they are earning $18.75 per hour times 3 hours, $56.25. The next person has 30 regular hours at $9.75 per hour. So they have earned $292.50. They have no overtime, so 0 for overtime. The next person is 40 hours in at $11 an hour. Is $440. And 2 hours of overtime at 11, so 11 times 1.5 because it's 1.5 times. That'd be $16.50 per hour. Times 2 hours worth, they've earned $33 in overtime. Now you'll add the two together across. So we have regular for the first employee at $360 plus overtime of $67.50. So they have a total earnings of $427.50. The next employee has regular of $500, overtime of $56.25. So they have total earnings of $556.25. The next person doesn't have any overtime, so it's just regular time of $292.50. And employee number 4, adding the overtime and regular together, would be $473. And there you have the list of total earnings for each employee. Now you're ready to do 12-1 on your own.